Hi, welcome to today's video from the study series, a series where I go over loads of different ways you can improve your study and health and productivity and just life in general. Today's video is going to be focusing on the Feynman technique. Basically, it involves attempting to teach someone with little to no knowledge about a topic that you're trying to fully understand yourself. For example, say I'm learning orbital arrangements in chemistry. I'll grab my brother, who's never heard of them before, and try and teach him how they work. If he understands what I've said and sort of knows what I'm going on about, then I know that I understand the topic as well. If you can't find a willing family member to participate in your study antics, try out the technique with a few stuffed toys, seriously. Or if you don't feel like doing that, practice with a mirror or just with an imaginary audience. Even if there's not another person there, the process of explaining a subject will draw out the flaws in your knowledge and show you what you really need to work on. The idea behind doing this is that if you're unable to fully explain a concept to someone else, then you probably don't understand it that well yourself. The reason this technique is so great is because it allows you to identify areas that you're weaker in and that you need to work on. Furthermore, understanding what you've been taught is the key to doing well in exams, so you can apply what you know to situations you've never seen before. And having a background and deeper understanding of a topic makes this so much easier. So if you can't properly explain a topic to someone else, then it's back to the drawing board to do some more practice and keep revising. I know this video is pretty short, but the idea is really that simple. All you have to be able to do is try and teach someone else what you're learning, or pretend you are, to make sure you properly understand it yourself. And yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, leave a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, click the subscribe button and share the videos with your friends if you found them helpful. Have the most amazing rest of your day. Stay safe, stay kind, and most of all, be happy. Thank you.